Hello YouTube, you are looking at a duplicate of what we're going to unbox. Another Apple wireless keyboard. First, could use some more light in here. So here's the front of the box, the rear end of the box, top of the box, the bottom of the box. Pause if you want to read any of that. Here's what the keyboard looks like. And it's priced at 70 bucks. Oh yeah, and then of course, oopsies, we got the side. We got the other side. So, I'll grab my favorite Swiss Army knife. And we're gonna make an incision in the shrink wrap. Just a note, always cut away from yourself. So in case you slip, you don't go towards yourself. That's a lesson I unfortunately learned the hard way. With this very, very Swiss Army knife, actually. So you got some peeled. There we go. There's that sound. In the trash. That new apple smell. And here it is. Simple. Is there a way to pull it out of this packaging easier? No. There we go. Got Yosemite, so whenever I get a text, my computer makes noise. Then here's all the instructions, which we just don't need. There's probably Apple stickers in there that I'll get one day. There we go. This one's going to be used for my iPad. That's why I need another one. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.